Hello and welcome to a new video. Today it's an unboxing video and it should be a good video, so let's get it open. Right, so that is a lovely sight. Now I'm going to move this away so it's all like a surprise when it comes out. Here we have the first Dalek. It's a Thay. That's quite annoying actually because I already got a Thay, which means I've got a double Thay. But yeah, we have to clean it up and stuff. I only paid £10 for this whole box, so it's not too bad really. So there's the first one, Thay. Right. So this one's an RC one. Yeah, I have to clean this one up a bit and maybe not use this one. I did say I'd rule this one out because of the plunger situation, but yeah. It does seem to work actually, weirdly enough. Right, now here's the next one. This one looks pretty alright actually. It's not a Thay. Is it a mutant reveal? No, not a mutant reveal. It's just a regular Dalek, I suppose. Yeah, it's alright. Yeah. Wait, what? Okay, this was unexpected. 2 Genesis arcs. 2? I thought I was getting 1. I've never had a Genesis arc before. Tell you what, they are huge. So there's a Genesis arc. And another Genesis arc. That's alright. I think that's worth a tenner already, the 2 Genesis arc. Right, now what's here? Here we've got another Dalek. This one's got a really loose head for some reason. You could do with screwing in. Not a mutant reveal one, unfortunately. Just a normal Dalek. Because I don't have a mutant reveal one, and I thought one of these might be. But it's not. It's got a really loose head. It's just really screwing on. The eye stalk's got a bit of something in there, so I'll try and get that out. That should be able to, I think. There's that one. Right. Then we've got some little mini ones. This mini Dalek here. I don't know, these micro universe, just focus. It's very nice really. We've got a micro assault Dalek. See, but it's assault tool. And a micro Dalek sec. Yeah. And then what else? We've got a Dalek sec here. Plunger and gun. It's nice. Seems alright, this one. So I guess I can make that into a custom or something. And I've got another sec here. This one needs a bit of cleaning. That's alright. It's got a bit of gunk in the eye stalk, so I'll have to try and get that out. There you go, another sec. And then we've got an RC Dalek again. This one's black and gold. This one doesn't appear to have batteries in, or it's just not working. But there you go. Never owned one of these ones. If I pop an eye stalk in it, might be quite nice. And then we've got 2 guns here. So I'm just gonna try and that one. Give it a gun. And this one here, might give that one a gun. So I'm not bad for armory. And some of them are quite different colours. Those ones are the same colour. Thay is a different colour, and it doesn't have a gold band. And the RC one is weird colour. That's really weird. Yeah, that's my set. So that's it for the box. It's all empty. Hope 10 quid's not bad really. Some bits and bobs, I suppose. Make some customs. So yeah, if you've enjoyed this video, please leave a like and definitely consider subscribing for more content. Goodbye.